Linking your bank account to Bank J Safra Sarasin is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the linking process, collect all necessary information such as your bank account number, routing number, and any identification documents required by Bank J Safra Sarasin. Step 2. Access online banking. Log into your Bank J Safra Sarasin online banking account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Follow the prompts to enter your external bank account details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with the linking process. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your details, review the information for accuracy and submit your request. You may need to verify the linking through a confirmation email or a small test deposit made by Bank J Safra Sarasin. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.